Hey Kapper, it's a Schickster here. Hey listen, my ATV quad is in the shop right now. The loaner that they gave me, it's just not got the towing capacity for me to do things outside. And I want to get another YouTube video up for my audience. Well listen, do you got any ideas on what I can do for a YouTube video until I get my quad back? Schickster out.
Schickster, it's Kapper here. Sorry to hear that your quad is in the shop. They're not going to give you a bicycle for a loaner this time, are they? You need to, ask for a mini bike or something. But hey, I got a quick idea for a YouTube video for you. Build a bird feeder. But it's got to be something really easy, just really simple that pretty much anyone can do. People eat that stuff up. Alright, good luck. Kapper out.
Hi Schick and welcome to Schick Happens. In today's YouTube episode, the Schickster is going to show you how to make a bird feeder. All that is required is a pounder, some fishing line, just your average everyday board that could be scrap, and a pail. The first thing you'll want to do is take a large spike such as this. In the event you don't have a spike, such as a spike, a drill bit will work just as good. So what you'll need to do is use your pounder and punch holes all the way around the base of the pail. If you do have a more advanced set of power tools, a drill can work in this particular application to put the holes in the bottom of the pail, as I demonstrate here. With the Schickster. Once you have the pail with perforated holes running the circumference of the pail, you can now add the fishing line to the handle, and then you can hang this from the tree for the birds to feed on. Oh, and the board goes on top to prevent critters such as squirrels and raccoon from getting inside and eating all the goodies for the birds. Just be careful not to drill holes in the bottom of the pail. I don't have to explain why for that. Now our bird feeder is ready to fill with food. And then I'll put the board on top and the birds can enjoy. Thanks for joining me here today on Schick Happens. You too can make this feeder. It's do-it-yourself easy. And the birds will love it. I got to get the board on top yet to prevent the squirrels and raccoons from getting in here. Thanks for joining me here today with the Schickster. All you need to do now is put the board on top to prevent critters from getting inside other than birds. If you really like this video, please smash that share button with the Schickster. Hey Kapper, it's the Schickster here. Hey, thanks for the advice. I just put together what I think is an awesome DIY bird feeder YouTube video. I think it'll be a big hit with the audience. The Schickster out. Do you want any holes in the Thanks for joining me here today. Hey Schickster, it's the cat. Shit.